Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand appealed to the warring Christian communities to embrace the doctrine of forgive and forget to restore lasting peace in the state. He was speaking during an interaction with the church leaders at Kangpokpi district headquarters under the banner of Kukizo Christian Forum while returning from Mao to Imphal. The forum submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister highlighting the grievances faced by Kukizo community in Kangpokpi district. They also raised several demands, while included justice for the alleged killing of 14 Kukizo community members, including 3 pastors, and addressing the hardships endured by residents due to shortages of food and essential supplies caused by the ongoing economic blockade. The forum urged the Chief Minister to intervene and bring an immediate end to the blockade. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand emphasized the hardships endured by the general public amidst the prolonged unrest in the state. He appealed to the church leaders to take a proactive role in guiding youths to shun violence and work towards peace. Khemchand added that communal harmony cannot be achieved without the restoration of peace. Noting that no one is above the law, the Chief Minister assured them that he will work impartially to deliver justice.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, Kuki, Naga, they're all Christians. After opening the first page of the Bible, it is written that forgive and forgiveness. Without a peaceful atmosphere, how should we develop our state? Peaceful atmosphere community masan khanaradi naha singdi wide. Then what about the younger generation? We have to think about it. And at the same time, we have to convince our youths. I try to convince the Meitei youths like anything. And let us pray to God that to restore peace is the only way to develop and our future of our young generation.